Yo, welcome back. We are up and running. It is like 6 a.m. in the morning right now, and we got the G filling up. What we're trying to do today is we're heading up to SF. Right now we're in the San Jose area, and they taking my money, bro. And we're about to head up to a meet with the whole drive along, so it's gonna be a pretty cool day. You know, after I stop getting over. One of my favorite memes, like, did you really just
come inside me?
Yeah, bet your sweet bippy I did.
slap that? These empty highways and the purple sky, what a vibe. So right now we're actually currently going to meet up with some homies, and then we're gonna mob out together and then go to like this huge meet. So let's see how it turns out. Well, we got the whips, okay. Crazy, and then we got a Corvette, or I'm not sure what that is. It's a classic car for sure. We're ready to head out. We gotta go. Everyone liked her. Everyone wanted her until she got straight pipe, and then she got pregnant, and then she kind of fell off the map, you know. He kind of looked like but look at this guy, he kind of wants the Gapple piece, huh? Light work.
Eventually.
I call this road the ultimate JDM test, bruh. So many fucking stops. So you gotta get good at this clutch work. And then look, a speed bump every single time. This is a workout right here. Well, this looks more like a meet, okay. Holy, dude, this is huge. Pushing along, I see you. Jeez, they're packed out. Holy. Hopefully there's more parking, cause this is sick. People are just literally lining up on the road, bruh. What? I'm about to get a spot on the road too. I already know it. This is sick. Oh, and in this lot over here too. That's pretty dope. This is huge, bruh. Literally just on the side of the road.
Damn, that's how the cars today, huh?
Dude, it's fucking at least 400. 500. Ooh. That fitment though. Carbon boys. Okay, I guess Corvette, but I was like,
Yeah, this is like the original, the first generation of Corvette.
it was like a couch in there.
Oh, well, my father and I did this when I was in high school. And
Oh, okay.
So this is like
Oh, is it really your couch?
This is like 30 plus years old, the interior.
Oh, okay.
And the paint, we painted out in the driveway.
Oh, wow.
I keep waiting for it to fall apart so I can put it in modern interior. But
Does it have an LS in there?
Yeah, LS3 480. So it's about 500 horsepower from like the, what was it, 2015 Corvette year, somewhere around there. They're all expensive now. It's the bike.
You don't see that.
It's the bike.
You don't see. Everyone got wheels in here. Rich boys. My boy on a different level. First of all, he got Baby Yoda as hand sanitizer. Then he got 4 Giardo 24-inch rims. And then we looking like a Transformer with these eyeballs. That's dope though. And the instant nut. Cheese. Super. 2J. Those are like the 3 things that you want. Oh wait, and carbon fiber. That's cool. And there's a drone too. Okay.
All for a look. Like that, yeah, it doesn't come off. You saw me get up. I'm like, okay, I can't go.
Ooh, those leg nuts. Really pop out. Jeez, all the bolts like that? Sparko? Jeez. This thing is well. I wonder if this is a... Well, it's gotta be a round. Yeah. Vehicle has huge turbo on it. Pretty quick to holy fuck. Damn. I'm trying to get one of those.
Suspension too stiff. It bounces around
Or
too much.
the metal, that's the spaceship.
I have to work on it some more. Well, I mean, it's like you can feel absolutely everything, and I can't take it over the roads.
Bro, he's the win the limbo contest. I know it. Oh, I was about to say, wait, isn't this? Yeah, it's Valley. I didn't know his turbo was this big. I forgot. I guess it was nighttime. Oh.
I'm hungry as hell.
Always with the good feeling. Respect.
These engines are reliable. Built to black, but if you just have a turbo and a tune, then it's not even. I wasn't smart. I was dumb. I was like 2 days.
The black is clean.
It's fine. Next week, my fucking shit blows up.
Let's see. It's a video game.
Look at this.
What? Oh snap!
Yeah.
Yeah, we do that. What? That's crazy. Yo, where my ugly ass? Little transformer. At least he's an Autobot.
I was putting in his tail light, and I kind of took the ball, and I got the ball. So I was like, bruh. I couldn't get it out, and I found a replacement.
Oh, I love these. Where?
I love my home.
Oh, it's NA.
I love your home now too.
I love you.
Ôi, lấy xe chạy.
Yeah, that girl over there flipping out, but hey, no Okay. Here we go.
Alright, before anything happens, Karen, how'd you get yourself in this situation?
Yeah, well, this guy. Awesome. That was a lot of fun. Checking out a lot of cars. We're about to head out here. So just do a little walk around and then we're gonna go inside and do our flyby. Now it's our turn to do our flyby.